Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by choosing the wallpaper type that fits your device and taste. Pick a 1920x1080 or larger video for a crisp display on most screens. Use MP4 or WebM formats because they are efficient and widely supported. Aim for 30 to 60 FPS so motion stays smooth without overtaxing hardware. Keep file size under 100 MB for quick loading and minimal memory use. Consider resolution versus file size when you balance quality and performance. Install Wallpaper Engine or Lively and open the app to begin customization. Import a video, animated GIF, or web page as your background file. Set the FPS cap to 30 for laptops and portable PCs to save battery and CPU. Resize or crop the wallpaper to match your monitor resolution, such as 1920x1080 or 2560x1440. Limit wallpaper memory usage to approximately 200 MB. On Android, use KLWP or a live wallpaper app to set a moving background easily. For iPhone, convert a short video into a live photo and assign it as your wallpaper. Reduce wallpaper FPS to 30 and lower screen brightness to extend battery life during daily use. Use a single animated wallpaper and avoid overlays or extra effects for better performance. If the device overheats, remove animation or switch to a static wallpaper until temperatures normalize.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.